Would you go 1,000 for all the? What's up, guys? Stixx Picks here, back in the video. We're here at the flea market here. You know, it's our favorite flea market. We're here pretty much like twice a week. Trying to find a little bit, hopefully making a little bit of money today. Hey, Manny, how much asked on the Star Wars thing?
You know, it doesn't. It's empty.
Oh, damn. Yeah. How about the guitar here, guitar?
I got the whole set over here. I don't know if you're interested. I'll do $30 for everything. The whole bag, that.
You said how much for the guitars?
$10 for both.
All right. Yeah.
Thank you.
Alright, y'all, I haven't even actually looked these up yet, but they look in pretty solid condition, so they look like they work. They could obviously not, but pretty sure they're at least a $25 sale each. You said how much for that drum set in the bag again?
Give me $10 for the whole bag.
I'll do it, guys. I don't know if it works, but screw it.
They sell the box for $35.
You said the turntable is where? It's like over.
Yeah, it's right there in the. You see that guy in the black hoodie right here? This side?
Oh, okay. Yeah. Alright, this is a turntable, I think. Stove. It's like a little stove. I mean, it's $10, so I guess it couldn't be too big of a loss, right? It could be a big gain now. That's why I did it.
You guys buy the old places, I'm throwing garbage though.
You throw us in the garbage?
Yeah, I'm serious.
You throw them away to him.
Throw them away to me, yeah.
What's up, Joe? How you doing?
Got a lot of cards.
Yeah.
You like collect cards or something?
Collecting, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I did find them in the locker.
Would you have like a price for like all the cards you have?
All these?
Yeah, maybe not the slabs, I guess, but like maybe like
Not the albums, or albums too?
albums too, I guess, yeah.
For all these, I'll take probably like about $3,000.
All right. And without, is that without the slabs or with them? That's
Everything.
Oh, everything, okay.
Yeah.
Well, the pirate wanted me to see what he'd be doing for everything there, pretty much. I just wanted to get a price for him. Because people would just like to price differently for my dad, I guess, so. What's good? What's up? Where did I get it?
What you doing with it?
Oh, I just walk around and like record for like YouTube and stuff.
Oh, you record for YouTube?
Yeah, just social media.
Why?
Just to like post it. And
Oh, okay.
I just walk around the flea market.
There's a lot of people that do that?
Not too many around here, but
okay.
my dad does. That's what got me into it.
Oh, okay, okay. I was just wondering.
I don't know if I'm going to find anything else. I don't know if I'm getting anything else for the day. I got my little couple buys. I've walked around about like 2 or 3 times now. I'm really just seeing the same stuff, same people. I do a lot of walking off camera so I can actually see what to show you guys. Back here though, I haven't actually walked towards the, you can see back here, it's kind of like a different section from over here. I haven't really walked over here yet, so I mean, maybe we'll find something. Good morning. I paid $2 for this. I mean, I don't know if this is worth it. I mean, I paid $1 for this. It's probably worth more than $1. And if I put it with the game, I paid $2. You know, this goes, you need the Connect to go with the game, so I might as well get a game with it, right? You know, we're about to do our famous sale anyway, so. No, I'm talking myself, Dad.
My calculations is there's 702.
Ooh, that's some sales for today? You're good for the day.
Did you offer the guy $1,000 for all of his cards?
I was, when you texted me, I wasn't really near there, but I don't think he would take that. He seemed like he's a collector.
He's somebody who acquired a collection probably inappropriately.
Would you go 1,000 for all the cards? All right. No problem. All right, we'll try, y'all. I don't think you're getting 3,000 at a flea market for that. The pirate offered him 1,000 straight up for all those cards he was down to, and pretty much wrapping up our dollar sale. We're gonna be out of here soon, guys. We're gonna be out of here soon. We're making our money. We're probably almost to $1,000 today, I bet, which is pretty good, honestly. That's fairly good. We made our money back, not on the unit completely, but we took all the good stuff, probably sold and whatnot. We did pretty well in the unit. All right, everybody, we're done here. We're wrapping it up. We're gonna go to the warehouse. Like I said, we're gonna, you know, do a little update on what we bought. Hopefully our stuff works, so it doesn't mess up, but I didn't actually look up anything yet. All right, guys, we're back at the warehouse. That's a couple hours later, and we're
Storage Auction Pirate. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe.
Don't go follow him, guys. I guess I looked these up a little bit, and we don't have the cords, I think, to turn them on. I don't know exactly how these work and turn on, but I haven't been able to test them yet. But they are expensive, guys. If you guys know, you freaking know, these things are expensive. These kickstands alone, literally, I can list for like 20 bucks a piece, I guess. There's kickstands. But for these like drum sets, they actually do have the stands and stuff for them now. I think they sell for like probably 100 bucks a piece at least, if they work though. I'm not sure if they work. I think for parts like untested, I'd probably go for 30 or 40 bucks. I'm pretty sure I saw a couple listings like that. So we definitely made money on that. We spent 10 bucks for these. We spent 2 bucks also on this little Connect setup. We got the game and the Connect for it. And I can probably put it on eBay for $19.99. People sell a Connect in like a couple games or 1 or 2 games for like from anywhere between 15 bucks and about 25. So I'll put mine for 19.
You should start a band. I'll be lead singer.
You're not singing. You're not being the singer.
Why not?
You're not.
Out of anybody in this room right now, I'm the one with the singing voice.
You guys let me know in the comments if this guy can be a singer.
But you don't got lead singer looks, Mike.
Bro, nothing says lead singer like a Kiss mask, right? This is Gene Simmons right here.
It's about 1 week later from the recording, and we're back, you know, a week later. Everything is sold like that, right? That was pretty quick. I sold one of the drum sets. I didn't sell them with the stands. I literally sold the stands separate, the drum heads replacement separately. I sold one of them for 80 bucks for one of the drum sets. Another one sold for 50 bucks. I sold one of the stands for the drum sets for 15 bucks. And then I still have 2 of the kicks, like the kick pedals left for 20 bucks a piece. So what is that? I paid 10 bucks and I made, after taxes, I'd say about 100 bucks or so. So far, I still have a little more to make, because that's 10 times my money. That's pretty good, guys. We like to see that. And I still have this sitting here. You guys can see my shelf, a little messy shelf. I still have this sitting here. It's never sold, unfortunately. I might have to drop that down to 15 bucks to get my money quicker, you know. We still have these kick pedals though. Look at that. These are, I have them up for 20 bucks a piece because that's how much they sell for. But we might have to just make it sell 15 bucks a piece, right? Screw it. Oh, you guys are getting a little sneak peek at extra stuff. If you're watching this far, that means you've watched the whole freaking video, guys. Thank you so much for watching my whole video. I really do appreciate you for that. Put a heart in the comments if you watched this far. And peace out.